Welcome to Sheriff and Vibe, the place for travel tips, news, deals, special events, and breaking news update. And we do have a breaking news update, guys. The MSC Armonia, one of the vessels that sail to the Western Caribbean and also does calls in Havana, hit the dock in Roatan, Honduras. There's little update at this point as to the severity of the incident, but as you will see in the video, it seems as though the dock might have suffered more damage than the vessel itself. It is our hope that there was no incident of injury on board, and of course that by nightfall the vessel would be assessed and would be cleared to continue on her voyage. We're just so very grateful that there was not an incident of any major concern that would impact this wonderful industry of cruising that we so dearly love. Take a look at the video and share, subscribe. Remember, with us at Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited, we're all about the fun. Ciao for now.